What did I miss the most when I was away? Was it my bed? No. My family? No. My friends? No. My cat? Close, but no. It was my before bed rice bubbles! Yes! Keen as a bean.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe you're actually here. I mean, I'm actually here. What do you mean? It's video. Emily's here and I can't do. Ah! I'm so happy. Oh my god. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Diabetes. This place is so cool though. Yeah. Say hey, Em. Hey, oh wait, this is we're at a drive-in movie. It's so cute. What was the movie again? The Zac Efron one. Mike and Dave need wedding date. Yes. I've got all the blankets that are so comfy. You're right. Oh, you can't see it, but it's comfy. Just trust me. Don't vlog me. We're here at Fagan Park and it's so pretty and everything's so green and it's in Australia and I don't get why it's so green. Because it's in Australia. No, but everything's like brown. Well, in brown. Western Australia, that's water. Yeah, but it's brown. What colours? I love you so much. Meow.
It's Africa, the African park, I think.
That's so cool.
And then there's South American down there, and also another one down there.
This is so nice, but I refuse to admit that it's nice because Kings Park has to be better.
Nah, Fagan Park.
Perth must win.
The radios are lighting up.
We're going. We're airborne. We're on. God, lift
You're
it
gonna
up
have
now,
to, yeah, lift it up.
No.
Attaboy.
Go on.
Oh!
Ah, so true. Oh, I love that sound.
Sounds like the ocean.
It does actually.
Right now it's the sauna.
The trains in Sydney have 2 stories. How cool is this? Double-decker trains, man. Double-decker trains. And look. Watch. The seats change direction. God. This is so cool. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this. I was sitting on the train, and we go past Dance Academy. Like, I see the set from like Dance Academy because it's in real life, and I was like fangirling. And then I look over to the other side, and I'm like, oh my gosh, that's the Sydney Opera House. And then I'm like, wait a minute, and I realized we're on the Sydney Harbour Bridge, and I was like fangirling. And then no one else on the train cares because they're all locals and not tourists, and they don't care about the Sydney Harbour Bridge.
Say hi, Tim.
Yeah.
Cool.
Someone didn't get enough attention while I was away. Oh, kids and Reds, I missed you so much. Oh. Here it is, the best part about being home. I've waited so long for this moment. Oh, yes, my own bed. Yes. Good night.